tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Woo. Hey! And suddenly daw, nasa dagat na kami. Woo! And sudden, ano sabi mo ate? Suddenly, we're in the boat.
Four to 6 days later.
Happy New Year! Welcome 2026! Say Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Lord, please answer to our prayers and financial blessing for this 2026 and good health. We claim it. I claim it. This 2026 is my 26, my year. Maniwala sa prayers. Atin tong 2026. One I want to. So ayan, headband tayo. Happy New Year. Bok, anong suot mo? 2 minutes to welcome 2026. Come on, Nita! Ba yan? Ay lumipad siya. May pagano na ngayon ah.
Inangat siya eh.
Totoo ba yan? Happy New Year, Cooper! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Sit.
Ayaw niya. Hey, Happy New Year! Nathan, Happy New Year! Blow! Happy New Year, ate! Takot si Cooper?
Panibagong hamon sa buhay na bahay sa amin. So, nagitan po, Panginoon, pagtanggap.
Oh, ate Alex, sleeping, oh. Tita Taya, kamusta? Ano? Ella, kamusta ang diet? Bukas na?
Sa Pinas na lang daw yung diet niya.
Ito pa.
Ubus na yung alimaksan.
Ako si Papa. Part kanina high blood, ngayon diabetes.
Betty.
May ano pa tayo doon? Ginatang halo-halo.
The next day.
Ang daming tao. Nathan! Nathan, wait! Come this side, mo! Hey guys! Ayan, nasa Kurfakan kami. Ayun yung falls, saka amphitheater na andon. And hinintay na namin sila nag-toilet. Iwanan ko yung isang camera ko. Ito kami sa may side ng beach. Kasama ko si Nathan. Say hello, Nathan. Hi! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
The next day.
Sabi mo sa IKEA. Ang dami namin ilang trolley. Oh my God. Gutom yan. IKEA. Brunch. Wala. Yes! Nakabudol ka na naman, Father, ha? So, ayan guys, New Year and pasyal-pasyal. Kami sa Cheesecake Factory. Punuan pa. So, ayan, happy birthday sa pinsan ko si Grace. Sama namin siya ngayon. Super busy in person. Napapayaman masyado si Grace. Ito mga,
2 hours later.
yan, Pearl Harbor naman kami. Ganda ng suns.
Winter edition.
Namiss ko si Cooper. Ang daming aso din. Dali, dali play! Nathan, wait for mommy! Nathan!
3 days later.
Hi Cassie, you are the yaya for today's video. Hey guys, dahil birthday ni Father, lumabas lang kami para mag-dinner kasi back to work na ako. So, kain lang kami dito sa Denny's. Doon dapat sa Fridays kasi puno doon. Kaya, actually 8 to 8:30 na. Biglaan lang din ito. Siyempre, para bukas pa naman yung celebration, pero para sa lubong yung birthday ni Father.
Hi!
Hi!
Si Papa ko.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Mama. Do you what's your wish?
My wish, more serving for the Lord.
Now I will tell Ate Alexia what she will wish for Lola. Ate,
Yes.
what's your wish for Lola?
To live many more birthdays. Love you.
And now I will ask you.
What?
What's your wish for your Papa's birthday?
My wish for Lolo to behave na when it comes to foods.
Food!
Yeah.
Ay, nako! Now I will ask my Lola.
What?
What's your wish for your Papa?
I wish for your papa. I wish for my papa. What is your wish for my papa? For your papa?
What's your wish for your husband?
Oh wow! For my husband? To be more pogi and more money.
Oh yeah, more money. They you give plenty money. Oh, that's good.
My wish is for Papa, for Lolo to be always healthy, long life, and
Happy
more birthday. 1, 2, 3. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Blow ka pa mag-blow wish.
The next day.
Mga bata naglalakad. Punta kami ng boat. Dito kami sa creek side. And then, pupunta kami ng Cactus Park. Boating. Punch in, saka punch out.
Several days later.
Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
The next day.
Hello vlog. Welcome to Abu Dhabi. Pero pauwi na kami. Wala pa na video mula kanina, no?
Wala.
Dapat makakaya namin to. Yan, yan, yan.
You teach Nathan how to do it?
There's teacher.
Oh, teach him how to do it, Nathan. Cassie, how to do it?
First, Nathan, you need to turn it around with something bigger. Then when the time runs out, you can stand there. Catch it fast, that it will go there.
Yeah, good job. Talo sila. Say thank you dito, TJ.